And the internet makes side hustles look so easy. You see people online talking about making thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars by the click of a button, or they simply tried a technique and they just made a whole bunch of money that month. But there's a few harsh truths that people are not talking about when it comes to side hustles. Let me give you the skinny on this. Truth number one. The truth is that most people quit way too early. They try things for a few weeks, maybe just a few days. They're not getting the results that they want, and then they just give up. I've seen this. I've seen people come and go. I've coached other individuals. They're excited in the beginning. Once they realize that they have to put in some work, they don't want to do it no more. But the people who succeed are the ones who stay consistent. I recently heard this guy, Eddie Pinero, he said something about some track coach or a marathon runner. Give him some advice and said, it's not the fastest person who wins the race. It is the person who runs without giving up throughout the whole race who wins. Stay consistent. Truth number two, income requires systems. Oh my God, I need to scream that one from the rooftop. What does this mean? The truth is, income requires systems. Most people don't track their finances or successes or negative feedback or whatever it is, okay? You need this in order to make progress. That's why the saying is there. If there's information on it, if you can track it, then it can be measured. You need to be able to measure your information so that you can increase on the things that work and decrease or remove the things that do not work. This is exactly why I created my 30-minute money reset checklist, which only takes 15 to 30 minutes to help get clarity on your finances. This is one of the things that I missed in my business and in my life. I had it up here, but I really didn't have the systems down here on my computer or on a piece of paper or anything like that. You need to remove the information from up here down to some type of device or something that keeps information. Systems. Truth number three, education matters. The third skill in this is that learning the right thing really makes a huge difference. For example, for me as an affiliate marketing coach, which is, I believe affiliate marketing is one of the best ways and most beginner friendly ways to make money online and create an extra stream of income. There's a right way to do things and there's a wrong way to do things. Specifically with affiliate marketing, what works this year is not what worked last year. If you're not educating yourself on the subject or the method, you may not make the money that you think you deserve. Learning the right method at the right time, just like how AI is just blowing up everything, you add AI to whatever you're doing, it makes a difference. Education separates a lot of individuals who are crushing it in the game right now versus those who just see it as a hobby. Which one are you? One of the things that helped me take my side hustles seriously is after taking a course called Start Poor, Finish Rich by Christina Tassiel. This program teaches people exactly how to do this, how to take your side hustles seriously. And it's because of this that I've been able to take my photo booth business to another level and really use it as a serious business income. I've formulated my hobby into something that is serious, an LLC, an actual business with insurance and all of that cool stuff. I can credit that to this program. It's really changed my life. The link for that is down below in the description. Truth number four. A lot of people don't want to hear this, but it's the truth. Mentorship accelerates and shortcuts success. Mentorship speeds up everything. There's accountability. When you get stuck, you don't really want to procrastinate because the person behind you is really just telling you to keep pushing. If there's something you don't know how to do, they know how to do that because they've been there and they've done that. And you're following a proven blueprint, which is the biggest thing. There's no guessing at this point. Trying to figure out a business, money, and your life on your own terms, it's expensive. It's expensive in money and expensive in time. This can literally take you years, if not decades. Or you can be like what I talked about in step one, where people just quit. That is why I partnered up with Christina Tassiel, the creator of Start Poor, Finish Rich. For those who are really serious and wanting to take their life to the next level, we created something called the Wealth Accelerator Mentorship Program. This is designed to take you by the hand, one-on-one coaching for 3 months and really maximize life as to how it should be, how you want it to be, to create that masterpiece of a life that you very much deserve and dream of. It's attainable. You got the mentorship to do so. If that interests you at all, if you want more information, I'm going to encourage you to sign up for a free phone call so that you can get information about it. Myself and Christina will be available for a phone call and talk to you. If you like what you hear, we may give you the invitation to move forward if we like you. Only 5 spots available for this, okay? So act fast. If you haven't learned, if you can't tell already, I strongly believe that side hustles can truly change your life, but only if you treat them like a real opportunity. Stay consistent, learn the right skills, build systems, get mentorship, and most importantly, don't quit so soon, okay? I have a ton of other content for you guys that can definitely work with you. That's down in the description. I have links to other videos. I would love for you to check out my other content because I believe it's all valuable. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers. I would love your support, but also most importantly, make sure you binge my content and watch this video next. I've been pumping out videos like crazy, and I know they're all valuable. If you're rebuilding your life like me and watching me go from my journey of $60,000 in debt over to building wealth, then you need to keep watching these videos. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.